Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Welcome to the weekend, actually. Friday, it's ready to start the weekend. How you doing?
Once again, yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Yeah, good. Ready? Exciting weekend planned?
My wife's grandmother is 100 years old.
Wow. Well,
yeah.
Let's say happy birthday to her, and congratulations, 100. That's a lot.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Anyway, we have lots of things going on. We're working on, of course, our Europa Property Real Estate Guide, our Last Mile digital magazine, all coming together for MIPIM. We're putting all the magazines together now, and of course the news on the website every day. Deadline for advertising, August 30th. So if you have any advertising or any last bits of information you'd like to get in the magazine for MIPIM, let us know. We've got a great stand there. If you're going to be down at MIPIM, come to our stand. It's P3, B19. So we've got everything there, coffee and drinks, and I saw we're wrapping up some alcohol. We can have some chats and some videos, so come by and see us. A lot of nice things there, September 9th, 7th through 9th. We got also a lot of our own events. September 16th, we've got our industrial breakfast at the InterConti in Warsaw. Great event. We hope to see you all there. Lots of fun things happening. And then in the evening, our back to business cocktails, which we'll do at La Regina Hotel in the new town. So a lot going on there. And of course, our CEE Investment Awards, October 20th, 21st. I just saw a whole bunch more nominations come in from investors, and they were on through the website today. So good to see that. I'll read off, yesterday I read off a few of our jury members. We've got over 30 investors already on the jury. And I'll just read off another sort of 10 of them that we have. From Build Green, Razvan Nika, from Add Value Management, David Hay, most of you probably know them. From SEMO AG, we have Mark Kruger. From Integrated Finance Group, of course, George Mula. Erste Group, very good. Erste Group Bank, we have Wolfgang Mueller. Also from Allianz Real Estate, we have Thomas Valedicen, who's been with us for a long time. Smears Real Estate, which is Marcus Leininger, many of you know him. Also, of course, WP Carey. We have Carolis Adelis, who's been with us many times before. DL Investment Group, which is Dominik Leszczynski. And also Vallejo, which is Marek Potocki. And we got quite a few more of them, but we'll let you know tomorrow. Of course, a lot of sponsors, which I'll talk about the next day or so. Anyway, lots of exciting news going on. Winston, maybe we'll take a quick break and then come back to us with the news. So 20 seconds, we'll be right back, and we will get to hear all of the exciting things happening on EuropaProperty.com.
MIPIM surely is the most important event for the retail sector.
No matter if we see retailers every day in our offices, MIPIM is a point of reference for us.
Well, very interesting, and Winston, let's carry on with the news and send us into the weekend here.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, and we'll start today in the manufacturing sector, and Cushman and Wakefield have announced their manufacturing risk index, and good news for the Czech Republic, because once again it ranks very high in the rating of the 47 best manufacturing destinations, thanks to a good score in all criteria such as operating cost, labour, political and economic risk, and the ability to bounce back after the coronavirus pandemic.
Wow.
The country came 5th globally and the 1st in Europe.
Well, that's quite good.
Yeah, and on a global scale, it comes close behind China, India, the USA and Canada. And according to Jiří Kristek, he's the partner and head of industrial at Cushman and Wakefield, he says, the Czech Republic has traditionally enjoyed the reputation of a suitable manufacturing destination. The fact that it has retained this status is very good news for its entire economy, showing the country's attractiveness for new development. Moving on, and in the hotel sector, Ceetrus has opened a €16 million hotel in Brașov. The Hotel Qosmo, within its mixed-use projects Cartier Coresi in Brașov is a 4-star hotel and was completed following an investment of €60 million. It features 133 rooms and has several facilities for guests, including a restaurant, event halls, and a casino. So it's quite nice thing for you there,
Casino,
Craig.
that sounds like that'll make money.
And the hotel will be managed by the Romanian operator Kronwell.
Oh.
And the Coresi project comprises 60,000 square meters of retail space, over 2,200 apartments, and a massive residential component which is being developed by Casper Development, while the office side was developed by Ascenta Management.
So it's like a little city.
Yeah, we've been following this development for quite a while, and it's a massive one, massive mixed use. Staying in Romania and on the retail sector, and Revatis Capital have announced that the Vitanis Shopping Centre retail park in Bucharest has signed 3 new leases with lease agreements between 5 to 10 years. 2 new Romanian retailers, Proges and Lasermax, have joined the existing tenant mix, and according to Radu Botan, he's head of investments at Revatis. He says the exceptional evolution recorded by the centre during the last 18 months is in line with the resilience shown during the COVID period by retail parks on a global level, and represents the simple value-adding income outcome of its superior concept, combining the mix of highly accessible locations and proximity to customer communities. So, this again, nothing new. We've learnt that retail parks are the
way forward,
retail product to go to. In the finance sector today, IRL Bank has provided a loan to Glamco to refinance the Warsaw hub. It's a senior loan of €312 million, and the loan will be used to refinance the newly constructed Warsaw hub in the centre of the capital. The project comprises high-quality, high-rise buildings in a multifunctional complex. There are 2 130-metre towers, which are office buildings, together with an 86-metre hotel tower connected by a common compodium. The complex is heralded as Glamco's most innovative project to date.
Yeah, it's a great project and landmark.
Fantastic looking project, and over in that side of the capital, there's many new developments up and coming. It's,
Rondo Dashinskego, very nice addition.
Moving to Hungary, and in the logistics sector, the Info Group has completed a logistic hall in eastern Hungary. This latest building is in the complex of Polgari Industrial Park. It's offering 4,500 square meters. The total park now offers 32,000 square meters of Class A light industrial and logistics space for rent. There are additional development plots there as well. And finally for today, people on the move, NREP, a leading real estate investment manager based in the Nordics, announced the appointment of tech executive Celia Francis to its board of directors. The new appointment reflects the company's strategic ambition to change real estate through the increased use of data and technology. So some innovation there. And despite the COVID-19 backdrop, NREP has made strides over the past year, including a 900 million first close of its new perpetual fund. And you might remember recently they entered Poland and invested 500 million on behalf of its NSFF fund.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Europe's largest value-add fund, which raised around €2 billion.
Very good. Yeah. Well, Winston, thanks you for that. And if you want any more news, check out our EuropaProperty.com website. Other than that, enjoy the weekend, Winston. Enjoy 100th birthday, and give Grandma a hug for me. And we will see you all Monday morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.